Hello everyone, welcome back to AMC India. Today I am going to show you how to make Ragi Soup. Let's get started. To make Ragi Soup, I am using 20 centimeters high. Into this, I am adding a teaspoon of oil, chopped ginger, chopped garlic, now we have to preheat it. On the highest flame, I am going to preheat. I am setting the audio therm to roasting window. Audio therm is connected to mobile app. It has reached roasting window. I am switching the flame to low. Switching off the audio therm. Into this, I am adding finely chopped onions, green chilli finely chopped, carrots, sweet corn, spring onion, green peas, we have to saute them for 2 minutes. Now I am going to add water. I am adding 3 cups of water. I am switching the flame to high again, and we have to bring the water to the boil. Water has come to boil. I am switching the flame to low. We have to make slurry out of ragi flour. I am using 3 tablespoons of ragi flour. Into this, I am adding a little bit of water. Make it a slurry. Make sure there are no lumps. I am adding the slurry to the water. Everything is mixed well. Into this, I am adding salt, pepper powder, close the lid. Now I am setting the audio therm to carrot window. It has reached carrot window. I am switching off the audio therm. We have to let it simmer for 5 minutes with open lid. I am going to set timer in audio therm for 5 minutes. 5 minutes have completed. I am switching off the audio therm. Switch off the flame. I am going to top it with some more spring onions. Ragi soup is ready.